Just like Uber, Lyft is now requiring drivers to select their ride challenge bonuses when they become available. So let's discuss this new process. Previously, if I was ever offered a ride challenge bonus, it would show up in the app automatically and that challenge would just be available. I wouldn't have to select it actively. Then a couple weeks ago, I was just randomly looking at the Lyft driver app on a Friday and saw this. Challenge is available until Sunday at 12 a.m. Select your ride challenges. Again, I was just randomly looking at the driver app. Lyft never communicated anything about this. When Uber made this change within their driver app, where you have to select a quest if you want one, they communicated that to drivers in the driver app via a message. Lyft never communicated this to drivers. I just randomly found it. And luckily I did, because the bonuses that I've been offered the past couple of weeks have been better than Uber's. Previous to that, I'd been almost exclusively driving for Uber, but these bonuses with Lyft are so good that I'm driving for Lyft these past few weeks. Either way, you should probably make a habit of it to at least check both driver apps once a week just to see what bonuses they're offering. All right, so now when you select that Challenges Available tab, this is what you see. It says plan your challenges, pick the challenge that fits your driving plans. You must select a challenge to be eligible for the bonus. This particular challenge period is for Monday through Friday, starting on Monday at 5 a.m. through Friday at 5 a.m. And although these periods are technically Monday through Friday, they end on Friday at 5 a.m. So you don't have all day on Friday to complete these bonuses. You have 5 hours from midnight to 5 a.m. So always keep that in mind. You won't have all day Friday to complete these Monday through Friday challenges. All right, and I'm offered 3 tiers, and within each one of those tiers, I have 2 tiers within each of those. And I've actually chosen this $175 challenge for 60 rides. Once I complete 40 rides, I get a $75 bonus. And then if I complete an additional 20 rides, I'll receive a $100 bonus for a total of $175. And again, I have selected this $175 challenge. And when you have selected it, you will see that that toggle has been selected. Now, if I select See Full Schedule, and if I scroll down to Monday, I'll see that that $175 challenge has been selected. You can see it's the 40 for $75 and the additional 20 for $100 more. And once you have selected a challenge and the deadline to select that challenge has passed, this is what it will look like. You can see I have selected the $175 challenge, and the editing on this challenge has been locked, so I cannot select a different tier. I'm locked in. All right, so again, these Monday through Friday challenges, they post on Friday morning, and you have to select them by Saturday at midnight. And again, just like Uber, if you want one of these challenges, you have to actively select it. Otherwise, during that period, if you haven't selected it, it will just go away. You won't be eligible for one of these challenges. And as far as the weekend challenges, these run from Friday at 5 a.m. to Monday at 5 a.m. It's essentially Friday through Sunday. They post on Tuesday morning, and you need to select one by Wednesday at midnight. So that's the new process for selecting ride challenges, at least for me. This is what I've seen. Lyft needs to do a better job of communicating these changes. I had no idea what this was, and when I saw it, I looked at it, I was able to figure it out for myself. They should have emailed or possibly communicated via the driver app, just like Uber did when they made their change with Quest bonuses. And the main things to remember is that these challenges will post Friday mornings and Tuesday mornings. For the essentially Monday through Thursday challenges that post Friday morning, you need to accept one of those by Saturday at midnight. And for the essentially Friday through Sunday weekend bonuses that post Tuesday morning, you need to select one of those by Wednesday at midnight. And I say essentially on these challenges because the Monday through Friday challenge only runs until 5 a.m. on Friday, so you don't have all day on Friday to complete that challenge. And also for the Friday through Monday challenge, it only runs until 5 a.m. on Monday, so you don't have all day Monday to complete that challenge. So have you all noticed this? Have you selected these tiers? What do you think of this new challenge selection process? Leave a comment below and let us know. Thanks again for watching, and drive safe. Thanks.